We all know that the price of cooking cream in the market has become outrageous, so I decided to make mine at home. Come, let me show you how to make your own cooking cream at home using just 3 ingredients. In a clean bowl, add 1.5 cups of powdered milk. I'll advise you to use full cream milk because it has a richer taste. Then go ahead and add water and stir very well until everything is properly dissolved. In another bowl, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour and dissolve it in water. This will serve as our thickener. To a dry pot, go in with your butter or margarine. I'm using margarine in this video. Allow the margarine to melt completely before adding in your milk. Once it's melted, pour in your milk and stir continuously. Make sure you are doing this on a low heat. After about 3 minutes, add your corn flour and continue stirring. You can see it's beginning to thicken up, and once you see any lumps, don't panic, okay? Once it's beginning to thicken up and you notice any lumps, all you have to do is to transfer the mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. And just like that, you have made your own healthy cooking cream at home. I hope I've saved you a trip to the store, and let me know if this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.